Good morning class 7. In this part of the video, we will continue your chapter Spreadsheet and Introduction. In this video, we will elaborate your chapter practically. In this segment, we will learn how to open MS Excel program window, how to increase or decrease row height and column width. Also, we will learn the pattern of generating a series. Let's start with the process of opening MS Excel program window. For that, we need to click on Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and then we will click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Let's first refresh your computer. Click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel 2010, and our Microsoft Excel 2010 window will appear on your screen. Let's create a dummy data here. For saving time, I'm going to open a worksheet which I had already created in my computer. So let's open your worksheet. We can change column width according to our requirement. The default column width is always 8.43 and it is measured in characters. And the default row height is 15.00. Increasing row height and column width, there are the two ways. First, we are going to begin with our column width. Keep the mouse pointer in between the two columns. Click and drag it on the left hand side. Drag it on the right hand side to increase the column width. And drag it on the left hand side to decrease the column width. Right? Let's try one more time. For increasing, we are going to keep the mouse pointer in between the two columns. Click and drag it on the right hand side to increase the column width, and if you want to decrease the column width, drag it on the left hand side. There are two ways to increase column width or decrease column width according to the content of the cell. For that, we need to keep the mouse pointer in between the two columns and double click. When we will double click in between the two columns, then the column will automatically adjust according to the contents of the cell. Let's try with maths. So keep the mouse pointer in between E and F. Double click. Now see, when we double click between E and F, the contents are automatically adjusted according to the contents of column. Let's try with the names also. Let's keep the mouse pointer between D and E and double click. See, the column width is automatically adjusted according to the contents of the cell. Similarly, we can increase row height. For that, we need to keep the mouse pointer in between the two rows and then drag it upwards or downwards to increase the height of row over here. So let's drag it down for increasing and drag it upwards for decreasing the row height. Next, we will learn the pattern of inserting a row and a column in our worksheet. Inserting a row column, we need to click on a cell and Excel will insert a column to the left of the column you selected or the cell you selected. Let's try that. First click on a column, right click, click on insert option, and then you will choose the option entire column and press OK button. Now see, when you press OK button, then a new column is inserted on the left hand side of the selected cell or the left hand side of the active cell. Similarly, we can insert a row. For that, select a row, then right click, press insert, and a new row is inserted. If you want to delete a column or delete a row, simply you need to click on that particular column which you want to delete and then press right click and delete. Again, click on entire column and press OK. Your column will be deleted from your worksheet. Similarly for the row, right click, delete, and then entire row and press OK button. Your inserted row will be deleted from your worksheet. Next, we will learn about generating a series. Child, Excel uses autofill feature to recognize any series from a single cell, such as the days of week or months. It will save our time to complete the text or number series for us. Let's work with text series first. For that, I'm going to use sheet number 2. Here I'm going to enter the text as the name of a month, January. Let's increase the column width. Let's keep the mouse pointer in between the two columns and double click. The column is adjusted according to the content. Now I want to generate a text series. For that, simply keep the mouse pointer on the right corner of the cell, turn into the sign of plus, click, drag and drop. Child, you might have observed that while using autofill option, the series of month is generated in our worksheet. Similarly, if you want to generate a series of days, then we need to write the first day of a week and then we will use drag and drop method or autofill feature to generate a series of days. Let's try. Keep mouse pointer on the right corner of the cell, turn it to plus, click, drag and drop. Simple. This is a way to generate a text series in our spreadsheet or generate a text series in our workbook. Next we will learn how to generate a number series. For that, I am going to use another worksheet. Child, for entering number series, we need to enter first two number of the series and then we will use drag and drop method or autofill feature to generate a number series. So for that, first let's enter the two values. 2. Now we are going to select that two values. Keep the mouse pointer again on the right corner of the cell. Turn into the sign of plus. Click, drag and drop. A number series is generated. You can generate your number series vertically as well as horizontally. Here I have tried vertically. Now let me try horizontally. Let's try with the random values. 5 and 6. Right? Click, drag and drop. See, a number series is generated. It's simple, child. In number series, we simply need to enter first two values. Then, according to that two values, your number series is generated. I hope this chapter is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then we are going to clear your doubt in your doubt class.